place from where I done my graduation. If I talk about my family, my father is an electrician and my mother is a tailor. My hobbies are playing outdoor games like cricket and badminton. In my free time, I usually make drawings and sketches. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a job full of adventure, pride and satisfaction. And I want to improve the financial condition of my family. So these are some reasons. That's why I want to join Air Force. Now I would like to come to my topic. That is on reservation system. India is a democratic country and the makers of Indian Constitution has make a privilege to the lower caste people like scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. They make a special privilege for those who are not able to uplift their situation in the society. So they make a rule for them in society in the constitution for the 10 years that for the 10 years they will be reserved in jobs and services, but the politicians use that system to for the vote bank of theirs, and they mislead them and
Okay, Shyamji.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Sandy Singh. I am from Kanpur. I have completed my graduation this year. My father is a farmer, my mother is a homemaker, and in my free time I like to play cricket, and reading holy books is my hobby. I want to join Indian Air Force because at early age we get a chance to serve our nation and we can improve the economical condition of our family also. Now I would like to come my topic. Topic is caste system in India. Caste system in India increases day by day. In ancient time, the caste system was not so broad like in modern time. Because of in ancient time, the class were divided due to their work, not in their birth. But nowadays it is increasing, and caste system affected our society like bad manners, because some leaders take many advantages due to their caste, and it decreases the person whose caste is not more in society, and they deprived with the many programs, many things which are needed for them due to their caste not more than that of others.
Harsh.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all of my dear friends. My name is Harsh. My father's name is Mr. Ramcharan Prajapati. I belong to UP at Kanpur. I have completed my 10th with 87% marks and 12th with 88% marks from UP Board. Recently, I have completed my graduation from CSJM University, Kanpur Nagar. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, and reading newspaper. My 10th point is that I am self-motivated and laborious boy. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman because it gives us equality to the all sector boys and adventurous life also. Now, I would like to come to my topic. Today's topic given to me is Naxalism. First of all, we all should know what is Naxalism. Naxalism is an activity performed by a group of people in the country, the people who did not satisfy with the government. In this situation, they did not satisfy with the government. As we can see, there are many kinds of Naxalism attacks are going on in our country, as we have recently seen that a group of people attacked on the CRPF camp, and there are many kinds of people who were killed. According to me, if we really want to scrap this from our society, our government should communicate the Naxalwadi leaders, and our government should negotiate with them.
Good afternoon, sir, and all of my friends. My name is Suyas Saab. I'm 17 years old. I born and brought up in my village Atmatpur, district Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my 10th plus 2 from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. In current, I am doing graduation with the Kanpur University. My parents teaches us squadron manner. I am positive and hard worker. I am good learner and listener. My hobbies are reading historical knowledgeable books which give me knowledge. I like to play outdoor game. Friends, the topic given to me for the discussion is child labor. At first, we should child marriage. Sorry for that. At first, we should understand what is child marriage. Parents do their children marriage at a real age. They are immature. Children are not understood what is society and their rules. This is main, and child marriage is rewards for our society. And I am really happy to say that in the modern age, this evil destroy in our society totally, and it is good for us. Now people understood, and parents know very well what is the age up to do the marriage. And child labor, as we all know that child labor is the main cause of child marriage is the main cause of disputes from, because children full of their child playful. They are not understood what is relation, and day by day it is decreasing, and it is fully decreasing in our country. Thank you.
Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jaren Sishan. I am from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. My district Kanpur is famous for the Manchester of North India. I have completed my intermediate from UP Board, Prayagraj. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and listening music. I am cheerful and cooperative by the nature. I easily adjust with all kinds of environment. I am physically fit and mentally sound. Indian Air Force is the most respected job in our society, and there is no reservation and no discrimination based on color, caste, region, and selection purely on merit basis. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to touch the sky with glory. We gather here for the group discussion. So I come to the topic. The topic is youth in politics. In my opinion, if youth are coming in politics, they provide their educations in the kingdom of India, because in present time all youths are educated, and they are educated, then they provide their skill educations benefit for the kingdom of India. But we all know that as we know everything as is pros and cons. Now we discuss this cons. Indian youth in politics do not have any experience for the kingdom of India, because India is a big country and experience is the most important thing for the kingdom of India. And youth are not you do not have any experience, so they do not face the difficulties. Thank you.
Okay, Ritik.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ritik Sachan. I hail from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. I have pursued my 12th from Marfi Zain Mabul Intercal in Kanpur Nagar. Now I am pursuing a Bachelor of Science from Janta Mahavidyalaya. My father name is Ritik Sachan. My hobbies are singing, short dancing, and playing outdoor games. I want to join the Indian Air Force because Air Force settled my life very earlier, and I give adventurous life to me, and I equal to all sector boys. Now I am going to speak about the Googles versus books. As we know that in this time we are living in the 21st century, and in this time we are really keen to know about what is the best for us and how can we ever grow our life and how can we grow our education in our life. As we know that in this time many other people is think about is Google is best for us or a book is best for us. And if I will be say about the Google is giving us a broad knowledge, and in this time many of the academic year children is not capable to search out which are the material is good for us. And if you think about the books give us knowledge about the criteria of our which we are studying about it. I think the book is giving the limit knowledge to us. If a great person said that if we are focusing on one area, we will crack that area. I think if we are stable the all things, if we are taking a knowledge from the Google, we have to think about which is best for us, which is bad for us. If we are taking a more knowledge from the Google, I think it will be a distract from our knowledge, and it will be also bad for us. I think we should be combined to both books and also Google.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harshit Katiyar. I hail from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I did my 12th in 2017. Now I am pursuing graduation from Kanpur University. My hobbies are reading books and newspaper and also playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman, so I am present here for group discussion. Today's topic is boarding school versus the day school. First, we should understand what is day school. Day school is where students live in home and they go to school by their convenience. The positive side of day school, because students interacted every day, interacted with the society,
and also parents provide them good food for the knowledge. But negative thing that sometimes parents give them their daily routine work so that students can't concentrated in their study. And on the other hand, in boarding schools is where if students live in hostel rooms, the positive thing of hostel rooms is that student is constant concentration of students is about to study. But on negative side is that hostel room not providing good food because of some difficulty, and they people can't interact with the society, our society. So that this is the negative point. At last I want to say that both things are good. It depends up to student what a student needs in their life.
Okay, Balram.
Jain gentlemen, as far as my introduction is concerned, my name is Balram Dubey. I hail from Kanpur. I was born and brought up in Kanpur, which is famous for the industry. I tell about my education in 2018. I have completed my 12th with 82% marks. Now I am pursuing for BSc and also preparing for Indian Air Force. I tell about my family background. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. We are 4 siblings. My hobbies are playing cricket and singing poetry. The positive and personality are that I am good learner, diligent and smart worker. To become the part of Indian Air Force has been the dream of my life since my childhood. To accomplish this dream as well as to support my family, I want to join Indian Air Force. Today we are here to discuss about the topic. The topic is yoga, and as we know that yoga is the best way to keep away from the doctors, it has a very big impact on our health, as we know that the International Yoga Day are celebrated on 21st June, and PM Modi addressed about the benefits of the yoga as his UN Assembly speech, and he requested to the words he addressed the various benefits of the yoga and requested to the world to celebrate a dedicated day to the yoga. As we know that every coin has two sides, positive and negative. If I talk about what is the pros of the yoga, it keeps us from it reduces the diseases, and a dedicated day for the yoga create awareness to the people's mind, and to adopt yoga in his daily life. And as we know that in America, it has become the largest trade for the earning money, but it is not widely spread in our country. And the people who got the benefit from the yoga, they can share their views on the international levels. And if I talk about what is the negative point of that yoga, a special day dedicated to yoga will not generate awareness. And if we want to thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. My name is Atit Tiwari. I am from Kanpur, UP, which is famous for the Manchester of North India. As far as I concerned my qualification, I pursued my intermediate from Marshall Inter College with 88% mark, and in high school I got 87% mark. Now I am pursuing my BSc third year from Kanpur University. If I talk about my hobby is playing cricket. In my free time I like to listen music, and I want to join Indian Air Force because it's my dream since childhood, and it is a respected job, and there is no reservation in this job, and we can maintain ourselves by running this. And we all are together here for the discussion. The topic given to us is education. Whatever I am going to discuss with you is my personal opinion. And as we all know that education is very necessary in modern age, and it is the great proverb in it that education is the key of development. And we think that in modern age it take a very good shape. And in ancient time, if I talk about ancient time, there was not good education, but in modern age the education is very important. if I talk about the
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Shadavan from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My father, Mr. Vijayasan, is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. If I talk about my qualifications, I have completed in +2 from UP board with 35% marks and now pursuing graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket and watching movies. In spare time, I read motivational books as Wings of Fire and Vikas Collected. My ambition to join Indian Air Force because it is my parents' dream. Yet today's topic is fake news which we get from social media. Social media is a medium which joins us to the society. Nowadays, social media has become the part of fake news. There are many types of source of fake news as WhatsApp, Facebook, and YouTube. These are applications are spreading a lot of fake news, and these type of applications are mostly affecting the youngster because they are spending a lot of time in social media, and it is also fact they making them fatalist because they spending their time in social media, and they are learning many type of bad news. There are many type of organization are working in the society as Al-Qaeda, as Islamic Sangathan and Bajrang Dal, which are spreading fake news. And when any youngster see this type of activity, he became exaggerate and want to and go to save his culture and religion, and many type of activities as mob lynching cases are also found in the society.